Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at a super budget mechanical gaming keyboard from Redragon. If you're from India and have looked into buying a nice cheap mechanical keyboard, you would have noticed the Vara keyboard. They're really nice cheap keyboards that have the original cherry blue switches inside, but the problem is though it'll suit most office environments, PC enthusiasts and gamers wouldn't really like a boring, huge, ugly, basic keyboard on their desks. Well, this is where cheap Chinese keyboards like this come in. They are extremely affordable, they're very high quality and have amazing features. This keyboard does not come with the authentic Cherry MX switches that the TVS comes with, and yet they're a little more expensive at 4,000 bucks. What you're essentially paying for is the other cool features you get. If you're looking at just functionality, then quit this video now and pay the 2,000 odd bucks the TVS sells for. You won't be disappointed with that keyboard. The keyboard comes with nice rubber feet that prevents it from sliding around. The keyboard also comes with a bunch of cool lighting controls, like controlling the amount of brightness using the function and plus or minus key. You can press the function and home key to enable the breathing mode and then use the function and plus or minus key to control the speed of the breathing effect, or you can also entirely switch off the lights by pressing the function key and the screen lock key simultaneously. This Redragon keyboard comes with the Otemu blue switches, which are essentially a Cherry MX blue ripoff by the Chinese. I've personally never owned a mechanical keyboard before, and for my first mechanical keyboard, I feel this has been a great choice. I never missed any key presses even when multiple keys were held down simultaneously due to the N key rollover. The Otemu blue switches provide great tactile feedback and audible clicks. When I say audible, I mean really audible. Here's a short sound test for you guys to get an idea as to how the keyboard sounds. Before getting this keyboard, I was really skeptical about getting a non-Cherry branded keyboard, but these Otemu switches have really proved themselves, and now I love typing on these. They're extremely comfortable and their short actuation points help in typing really fast. Things you gotta look into before getting a new mechanical keyboard. Price. Set your budget and search for a keyboard within that, cause mechanical keyboards can get super expensive. Switches. Cherry preferably. Doesn't mean their ripoffs will perform badly. I'm in love with my keyboard and the Otemu blues are just great. Backlighting. It adds to the aesthetic value of the keyboard. Media controls. Not everyone will need this, it's solely based on personal preference. Number pad. Well, again, personal preference. A lot of new keyboards don't come with them, and see if you need them or not before buying a keyboard. If you're serious about this keyboard, well, here are the pros and cons. Pros. Looks awesome, backlight is useful and looks dope, built like a tank, has a numpad unlike most other budget keyboards. Cons. There really is nothing wrong that I've found after more than a month of usage. If you really had to point something out, it would be the fact that it doesn't have the authentic Cherry MX blue switches, when the TVS keyboard, which is half its price, has the authentic cherry blue switches. So this Redragon keyboard is a great mechanical budget keyboard for those who are looking to add some aesthetic value as well to their setup. The Otemu switches feel great, and this keyboard gets a thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching.